Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I will also tell you how you can change the hotspot name on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes under the video and write, friends, your comments after watching. And let's get down to our topic. So, friends, why do you need to change the name of the access point? Well, you might want to do it so that when you're giving out internet from your phone, you'll be easier to find and connect to. Or to stand out a little bit and have a more memorable name for your iPhone. And in order for you to do that, open up the settings on your phone. Next, you'll need to scroll through a little bit, select General. Then select About. And then select Name. And now you can remove completely the name that you already have and change it to the name that you want. Or you can just add something to the name that you already have. And after you make the change that you need to make, you'll just need to click Done at the bottom. As you can see, the name will be changed immediately. After that, friends, you can log out, go to the hotspot on your iPhone, and see if the name has changed, which will be written right here. If your hotspot name hasn't changed yet, then, friends, you'll need to disable this option here where you're sharing your internet, and after 15 to 20 seconds, re-enable it. This way, you will see that the name might have already changed during that time. If even this did not help you to see the result of the name change, then I recommend you to reboot your iPhone, after which all the changes will be visible in the hotspot settings. This way, you can quickly and easily change the hotspot name on any iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. See you soon.